Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming connectivity and app freshness because many person unavailable errors are local. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular signal is strong, then update Messenger to the latest build. Once done, force close the app, clear its cache, and sign out and in again to refresh tokens. This often restores contact visibility. Also verify you aren't using a restricted profile or VPN that masks your account, since Messenger can treat that as unavailable. Next, you dig into account and contact settings to find why the person shows unavailable. Open Settings, check the blocked list, and unblock the contact if present. Blocked users appear unavailable. Then inspect archived chats and message requests in case the thread moved. Try logging into Web Messenger and visiting the person's Facebook profile. If you can see the profile or send a message there, the mobile app is the issue. Make sure account privacy or mutual friend limits aren't hiding them. Finally, you apply fixes to complete recovery and know when to escalate. Uninstall and reinstall Messenger, then try logging in from another device or a friend's account to isolate the problem. If the person still appears unavailable everywhere, use the Report a Problem tool and include screenshots. Allow 24 to 48 hours for server fixes. If nothing changes, consider they might have blocked you, deactivated their account, or changed privacy. If so, ask them via another channel. Troubleshooting tip: confirm they haven't blocked or deactivated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.